Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. Register for Stellar Talent Search exam for class 7 to 12. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12. We have study centers at Margao, Vasco and Prudent.
Goa Congress is taking up the issue of the job scam in a big way, and the way the government of BJP led by Mr. Pramod Sawant has become the most corrupt government in Goa itself. It has played with the youth's future itself, and there is a big scam, and they are trying to whitewash it with the change of the minister in it from that. Congress party has complained to the vigilance about that thing, and now Congress party, there is no actions from the vigilance. Congress party will now go to the Lokayukta regarding this same with details.
They are sold out MLAs who went from Congress. There was a news that one person will be inducted. So we were not sure, and ultimately at late evening on that day, that guy was sworn in. Immediately next day, party has taken up that issue, and we had exposed that this was because Chief Minister is on record. The minister who has resigned, you see his resignation letter. It is clearly mentioned that there was a commitment. So I think Chief Minister has to come clean. That day also we had said.